Okay guys, let me show you how to remove a background from an image without letting it to affect the hair. So first thing you need to do is you click on your lasso tool. This is your lasso tool. Then you draw a line. Okay, so you select a mask. You see where they wrote select a mask, you click on it. You see the define hair. Select object again. Okay, as you can see. Then you make sure your transparent is at the level of 100. Then you come down to your attributes. You click on the contaminate colors. Then you click OK. So here we have it, as you can see. Let's zoom in. As you can see, the hair is intact. So that's how to remove a background without interrupting the hair or without disshaping the hair. So if you find this helpful, like my page on Facebook, Touch Graphics, on YouTube, Touch Graphics. See you on my next video. Capiche?